Hello friends, we are here with recap 10, okay, and in this recap we'll go with number line presentation, number line, okay, integers on number line, okay. We are going to do it for integers. Number line presentation can be done for whole numbers as well, okay, but here we are going to do for integers. What is there in integers? Since we know that integers is group of negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers, so we will draw a line, and it is a line. You have to understand that it is a line which you are going to draw. It means it is open towards both the sides. You can see it is both sided arrow is there. It means it is open towards both sides, okay. Never ending is the process in this case. The middle part is 0. The mid part of the midpoint is 0, and towards the right side at equal distances you will get the units are positive ones, okay. At equal distances you'll get positive units, and at right side towards the left side you'll get at equal distances the negative markings, the negative numbers. So here it is going to be -1, this is -2, this is -3, -4, -5, and so on. Here it is +1, +2, +3, +4, and +5, and so on. So this is number line. On number line, how to present integers? Say if you wish to go for, if it is given show +4 on number line. Suppose you have to present +4 on number line. You will move from 0 to the right side. Since it is plus, so we know that plus is from 0 towards right side. 0 towards right side. So positive numbers are from 0 towards right side, okay. So these are towards right side, whereas negative numbers are towards left side. From 0 they are towards left sides, okay. Now if it is written +4, in that case from 0 you will start from 0. The starting is from 0. Start from 0, okay. And you have to move, since it is given 4, it means you have to move 4 steps ahead. That means it will move from here to here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. That means it will move from here to here. So your presentation of 4 is at this point, okay. And you can just mark it by a cross and put a circle, and this is your +4. Understood? Similarly, if you have to show say -1 or suppose -5, so since it is minus here, so your direction should be from 0 towards left. Here the direction was what? Direction was from 0, direction from 0 towards right. It was towards right, whereas in this case direction is from 0 towards left. Remember, when you are going to move left, when it is going to be in left, when you are having minus sign given with you, okay. If positive sign is there, you have to move towards right. What is there? Positive sign takes you to the right direction, okay. So move towards right. Positive sign means move towards right, okay. And negative sign means move towards left, Why I am saying these two things? Because these two are very important when you are going to do calculations of plus and minus signs in that case, and you have to represent on the number line. Then you need this logic with you. You need these two informations with you, that when positive sign is there, it means you have to move towards right, and if it is negative sign is there, you have to move towards left side. Understood? So plus minus 5, you have to show minus 5. So what you will do, from 0 you will start, and you, since minus sign is there, so you have to move towards left. You have to move towards left. For minus sign, you have to move towards left. So from 0 you will move towards left, that is from here to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means you will move from here to here, that is your minus 5. Understood? This is how you have to present on the number line. This is how the integers are going to be present on the number line. All the positive, negative, 0, all 3 different types of numbers can be presented on a number line of integers, because integers is group of all these 3 types of numbers: negatives, positives and 0. Okay, so this is how we are going to do in case of integers. Now let us try to understand how to add or subtract integers in case on number line. So we'll see it. Let's see how. So if you are having a number, say you are given with 2 numbers and you have to add. Suppose you are given with numbers like add, and it is given, a question is given, say 7 plus minus 3, and you have to show this on a number line. Represent on number line. Represent on number line. How to show? How to show this on the number line? Let us try to find out. Suppose you are given with number line, and since it is integers, so we will draw one of the lines of integers. Okay, we will draw one line of integers. Okay, now from just in the middle of the line you are going to draw, you are going to take 0 in the middle part, right? And towards the right side you have to go, at least take the bigger number is what, 7 here, so take at least one more, that is up to 8. Draw up to 8 markings, equal markings. Okay, from right and from left all the markings should be, all the units should be equally placed. So use, instead of doing like this, use a ruler. Okay, so it will be more accurate in that case. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's draw here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. Now you can see we have drawn the number line, and on this number line we have to present this on this number line. We have to show this sum. Now how to find the value of this on this number line? What we are going to do, we'll just see the very first number. What is the first number? It is written here plus. What is written here? Plus. Because no sign is there, it means we will consider it as plus. When plus sign is there, it means we have to move towards, as I have told you right now, just previously I have told you that if plus sign is there, you have to move towards right. Plus positive sign means, when plus sign is there, it means move towards right. Move towards right. Okay, so we'll move towards right. How many points? We have to move towards right 7 points. So let us move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It means we are going to move from here to here. So our first step is to move towards right side. How many points? Towards right side 7 points. Then it is to be added. It means you have to add in this. Now addition means what? Again you have to move towards right, but you can see that this just beside it you are having a negative sign. There is minus sign along with 3. It means your movement should be towards minus sign, towards left side. You can see, as I have told you earlier, that when negative sign is there, it means you have to move towards left side. So your direction should be from right to left. And how many points? 3. It is written 3. It means you have to move 3 points left. 1, 2, and 3. So you are reaching here. And what result is here? What actually is the final answer here? You can see that it is your 4. You are getting what? Plus 4. You are getting plus 4, and this is your solution. It means that your question was plus 7 plus minus 3. So you have reached up to 4. It means your answer is plus 4. This is how you have to present on the number line. Understood? This is how you have to show on the number line. Okay. Now let us take another example, and it is of subtraction. Suppose you have to subtract. Suppose you are given with subtraction. Now how to subtract, how to show subtraction on number line. Okay, so let us take one example. Say you are given with, suppose you are having 5 minus and say plus 3, and you have to find the answer to this. Now we will take two examples in this case. Okay, a example is this, and say another example, if you are having say 12 minus say 4, and one more example, let us take minus 8 minus say 1. Okay, now let us see all the three cases on number line. Okay, we'll try to find out these three cases, how to present on number line and what result we are going to get. Okay, so if we take first example, minus 5 and plus 3. So let us try to draw one number line first. Okay, so this is your first case. This is your A part, in which you are having say I'm taking 0 here because plus 5 is there and plus 3 is there. It means we are going to deal here this side only. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and say 9. Up to 9 units we have taken, and here it is minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. What you are going to do, you will just check what is the very first number. So it is plus 5. You can see sign is not there. It means it is plus. It is understood that it is plus. So you are going to move from 0 to 5. That means you will move from here to here. Okay, this is 5. Now what? If you are given with minus, minus is what? Minus is a symbol of additive inverse. That means you have to, if it is given minus here, it means you have to find the additive inverse of plus 3. What is the additive inverse of plus 3? It is minus 3. So you can write it like this: 5 minus 3. Okay, you can write, or you can simply, if you are familiar with the multiplication of this minus into plus, then it is again minus only. So you are going to get 5 minus 3. That means you have to move towards, now since it is 3 is having now minus sign with it, it means you have to move towards left. So we'll move from here towards left. So how many points? 3 points. So 1, then 2, and then 3. You are reaching up to this. That means your answer is what? You will get the value as plus 2. Understood? So your answer here will be plus 2. What you are going to get? You get plus 2. This is for the case of first one. Now second is say B. In the B case, you are given with one integers line is there. Okay, and say I'm taking here 0. Okay, now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, and say 13. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13. Now see here, the first number is what? Plus 12, right? So again you will move from here to 12 units. So let us move here from here to 12 units, that is up to here, right? Then what is there? Minus and minus 4. Now, as I told you that if outside the bracket minus sign is there, it means you have to find the additive inverse of the inside bracket. What is inside the bracket? Minus 4. So, what is the additive inverse of minus 4? It is plus 4. So, what will be the question in that case? 12 plus 4. Okay, or you can say, in other words, you can say minus into minus is giving you plus. Okay, now if 12 plus 4 is there, it means further you have to move how many points, and it is plus here. Since it is plus, it means you have to move towards the right direction. So this number line needs to be more extended. 13, 14, 15, 16. Now 4 more points is required. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. It means you'll move from here to here, and then you will get, remember to put the sign of arrow, okay, from where to where, which direction you are moving, it is must. So you can see here that you are going up to 13, 14, 15 and 16. So your answer is 16 here. Can you see? This is 16. Understood how to put on number line? Let us take another example of this one. Third example, C. C, question C is what? I'm writing here so that you'll be able to see. It is minus 8 minus 1. So let us try to show it on the number line. Since it is minus 8, so we'll take 0 here, so that our portion of negative 1 minus numbers will be having more space. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let us see. It is written minus 8, and if we go this side, 1, 2. Since it is written minus 8, it means we will move from 0 towards left side. Why? Because we know that minus sign lets you to move towards left. Okay, so you have to, because of minus sign, you will move towards the left side. माइनस साइन जब भी होगा तो हमें 0 से लेफ्ट की ओर जाना होगा, और प्लस साइन जब होता है तो हमें 0 से राइट साइड जाना होता है. ठीक है, राइट डायरेक्शन में हम मूव करते हैं तब जब हमारा प्लस साइन होता है, लेफ्ट डायरेक्शन में मूव करते हैं तब जब हमारा माइनस साइन होता है. तो यहाँ पे माइनस साइन है, सो वी विल मूव फ्रॉम 0 टूवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट साइड. यहाँ से हम 8 पॉइंट्स, सिंस इट इज गिवन 8, सो वी विल मूव टूवर्ड्स 8 पॉइंट्स. नाउ दिस इज -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9 and -10. So we'll move up to here. That means you are coming up to here and you are going to get -8 here. Now you have moved -8. What else is there? Again, as I told you, if outside the bracket minus sign is there, it means you have to write, you will break the bracket and you will write the additive inverse of whatever is inside the bracket. Now what is there inside the bracket? -1. What you can do, you can simply write -8 and you will remove this. Just to remove this bracket, what you will do, you will check what is written here. If it is plus, you will not change the number inside, but if it is minus, simply you have to find the additive inverse of the number whatever is there inside the bracket. ब्रैकेट के अंदर जो भी नंबर होगा वो नंबर हमें चेक करना होगा, उसका additive inverse निकालना होगा, क्योंकि ब्रैकेट के बाहर माइनस साइन लगा है. तो माइनस साइन जब भी ब्रैकेट के बाहर होगा तो अंदर वाला जो होगा उसका हमें एडिटिव इन्वर्स पता करना होगा. तो ब्रैकेट तोड़ देंगे और हमें ये साइन भी हट जाएगा और इसका एडिटिव इन्वर्स लिख दिया जाएगा. तो एडिटिव इन्वर्स -1 का क्या हो जाएगा? इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी +1. -1 का उल्टा, यानी जस्ट ऑपोजिट ऑफ -1 इज़ +1, सो यू विल गेट +1. एंड ऐसे भी अगर हम मल्टीप्लाई करके भी देखेंगे तो माइनस इंटू माइनस इज गोइंग टू गिव यू व्हाट? प्लस. तो यहाँ पे अब क्या मिल गया हमको? -8. वी हैव मूव्ड टूवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट साइड from 0 to left side to 8 points. We have moved because of minus sign, and now you are getting plus sign with 1 point. It means you will move towards a right direction. तो यहाँ से हमें वापस राइट की तरफ मुड़ना होगा, एंड यू आर रीचिंग to -7. What is your number to reach? you are moving towards right side, and you are arriving at -7. So what answer you are going to get here? Your answer will be -7. This is how you have to present on the number line. I hope you have understood integers, how to present integers on number line. Let's stop here only, and we'll come with another recap the next time. Thank you.